Hi everyone, welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. As you can see, frost, frozen, glass everywhere. So I've got a little job that needs doing. I'm going to pot out some strawberries, some of the runners. So we'll crack on with that. Got several plants. They all look like that. And I'm going to pot them up. And I'm actually going to plant them, the hanging baskets, in the greenhouse to see if I can get an earlier harvest of strawberries. Don't know if anyone else does that or have tried it, but thought I'd give it a go. I know some people do it because I've seen them do it, but it's not something I've ever done. So I thought, why not? And obviously when it's as cool as this, you're itching to do something in the garden. And there isn't a great deal, but like anything, there's always something you can get on with. Some of the runners are better than others, but beggars can't be choosers. So if they all take, great. If some don't, then such is life. There's another one. Some dead leaves on it. Just pull those ones off. The rest of it is looking okay. Push it in. I'll stick one in the middle for luck. Here it is. Like I say, these ones here, dead. Old growth. And put one right in the middle. A bit more of the koi mix on the top. It's got a bit of feed in. Also help with sort of water retention, which always is quite helpful in hanging baskets. Then I'll give it a quick water. The noise in the background, this is what I use, and actually you can hear that. It's frozen on the inside. Ice cubes. So the strawberries are getting a cocktail. And hopefully in the summer I'll be able to have a cocktail with the strawberries, a nice daiquiri or something like that, but that's probably wishful thinking. Just give them a good water in. Koi was already sort of damp anyway, so I'm not soaking them. And as you can hear the water there, that's frozen, so there we go. Tilt it up so you can see. And I'm just going to hang those up in the greenhouse. I'll bring you around to show you that. Well, that works for me. And I think I'll get another one done. Even some of the soil is frozen within this potting tray that I've got. But you've got to do and use what you've got. If it's warm enough to come out, then I've got to give it a shot. Obviously, I'm not expecting anything super quick with these when you're planting strawberries in these, but this is just to get them a little bit of a head start. And I had a lot of strawberry plants in my raised bed, and they've probably been in there for, I don't know, 2-3 years. And they do say the plant itself probably only lasts about 3 to 4 years, and then obviously use the runners and create new plants. And by potting them off in here, I'll just put a little bit of compost in there as well. So there's a nice mix of the koi, the perlite, and some pot and compost. Actually, is that pot and compost? Yeah, multi-purpose compost. I thought it might have been seedling compost, but it's not. So that'll work a treat. Right, let's get some more strawberries. There's a plant there. One of the runners. Because that's the thing with strawberries, it shoots off runners and gives you free plants, but they can sometimes go to waste because they don't all take. Oh, that's soil's tough. And I've got some more here. It's another runner. Like I say, these sort of take those dead ones off. And it's just the root. Coming off the root. That's all you want. Dig a little hole. And that's enough. Take that off. Take that off. They'll appreciate, well, hopefully they appreciate the coming into the greenhouse and into the hanging basket, because obviously the ground that they've come out of is absolutely frozen. Big long root on that. You can actually snap the root. It'll still grow from that, rather than trying to bury a very long root. Take those dead ones off first. Take all these dead runners and tendrils off. They just shoot off everywhere, strawberries, which is good because it gives you lots of free plants. But I can't split that one anymore. The soil's too frozen. Take all these dead ones off. Snap that in half, that's fine. That one can go in the middle. Let's give those a water in. Strawberry daiquiri. Weed, get rid of that. Yeah, again, the koi, the perlite will help with water retention, and because it's winter, you don't need to water them that much anyway. I'll take you over to where they are. So there. Next to the the new solar lights I bought. So they're charging up. They work well. But as you can see, if I look outside through the part of the window that's not frozen, the beds are solid. Can't even see through this one because it even got a little bit of ice on the inside. So, oh well, that's it for this episode. And if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. Costs nothing, but really helps us out. And I look forward to catching the next one.